Welcome to Greenwood Village. This community offers the best located new townhomes, which feel like a single family home, but have all of the conveniences of a townhome. Hi, my name is Bridget, and I'm really excited to show you around. The main level offers an open layout, great for entertaining, and the kitchen is a dream, complete with a large island, upgraded cabinetry, and stainless steel appliances. Upstairs, you'll love the spacious owner suite and 2 additional bedrooms for kids, guests, or an office space. Downstairs, you'll have a 2-car garage and an optional rec room. Choose to add on a deck off the back of the home to extend your outdoor living space. All of your yard maintenance will be done for you, giving you more time to enjoy the abundant shopping, dining, and entertainment options just moments from your front door in Canonsburg, Southpointe, and Bridgeville. Greenwood Village has the quickest access to I-79, Route 19, and Southpointe. The community is also located in the Cannon-McMillan School District in North Strabane Township, Washington County. Shop at Strabane Square or Tanger Outlets, both just minutes away, with our main anchor stores Target, Dick's Sporting Goods, Walmart, Sam's Club, and more. Plus, Southpointe Town Center is less than 3 minutes away. Contact us today to learn more about why Greenwood Village may be the perfect place for you to call home. I can't wait to meet you.